Welcome to Aquafloat. Aquafloat is an object buoyancy system that can be applied to any object. There's multiple objects that we provide, including ducts, inner tubes, and even rafts. Floatables can be set up in different ways, either with one point or with multiple points. Multiple points can provide more stabilization for larger objects, while single points are more performance and have the option to upright themselves when flipped. There is a performance cost for every floater point you have. However, the majority of the overhead is done by just the owner of the object. There are multiple ways for making objects move about while in the water. You can add randomized movement to floating objects, making them behave as if they were freely moving about a pool. Or you can designate areas of water to push floating objects in a direction, allowing for unique pool flows. Aquafloat is currently available on our coffee store. You can use the coupon code AQUA50 for 50% off until April 15th. You can check out our demo world and this one using the links here, which are also provided down below.
Hey! Anybody? Is anybody still here? It's dark. Did you forget about me? Guys? Hello? Anybody? I'm in the pool. I'm in the floaties. Guys, it's really dark. Hey, hello? Did you guys leave? Anybody?